What is going on, people of YouTube land? This is the Grill Sergeant here on behalf of Josh, the cooking cop. I don't know why I'm doing this. Feels like I'm dancing here. Remember when the original Star Wars came out? It was so awesome and it was such a hit and just, it was epic. And then a few years later, they released Star Wars, the holiday Christmas special, and it was like, this film should have never seen the light of day. Well, this YouTube video falls under, oh God, this video falls under the latter category. And this video was shot actually at the start of the pandemic. We were trying to do this collab where, you know, we're socially distanced, we're doing this funny video, and it was such an utter failure that I was like, you know what, Josh, this video will never, ever see the light of day. But given some certain circumstances, you know what, I figure, you know what, it's time to dust off this video and just let the people of YouTube land see it in all its glory. We might lose all our subscribers, but at least the truth will be known. I mean, oh gosh, this is just, it's cringeworthy. It totally is. You might get a laugh. I guarantee you will get a laugh. And if you do, even though it might pain your soul, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and enjoy the train wreck. All right, get it. Ho ho ho, what is up? Grill Sergeant here. Another airplane. Another gosh darn airplane. Just when I'm like in the zone, when I'm ready to record, airplane has to fly. Today is an epic video. Now you're thinking like, Grill Sergeant, why is today's video epic? And let me tell you, we are doing tri-tip on the Weber Kettle using Spade L Ranch beef seasoning, but that's not it. We're doing a collab today with Josh, the cooking cop. You know from the show Josh and Babe? Yeah, that Josh. It's gonna be epic. You know what? Without further ado, Josh, would you mind introducing yourself here?
Thanks, Grill Sergeant. Josh here. Josh, the cooking cop. I run a channel with my girlfriend, Babe, called The Cooking Cop and Babe. We focus on barbecue, we focus on home cooking, we focus on food, fun, family, adventures, a cocktail here and there. And yeah, so we invite you guys to check out The Cooking Cop and Babe. We're really, really excited for this collaboration.
Are you ready for today's collab?
Honestly, I don't think I'm ready yet. I still have...
No time for negativity, Josh. Let's start the show.
Andrew and Josh cook a tri-tip, yeah. Oh!
Josh, are you ready for your prostate exam? Only kidding. Let's prep this tri-tip. Prepping a tri-tip is actually pretty easy. You're basically just any of like this outer fat, I basically just like to cut away. And that's pretty much it. I don't do a lot of trimming. You're mainly just looking at taking off just a lot of the excess fat. All right, this tri-tip is looking beautiful. Time to season it up. Hey Josh, mind seasoning up my tri-tip?
Awesome. Do you mind handing me the Spade L Ranch beef seasoning?
Oh, for sure.
You know I love this. Okay, so the Spade L Ranch, you know we love it. So we're just gonna do a light little dusting of it. You know, gotta make it right for the Sarge. All right, and of course you wanna do both sides. Look at the marbling on this tri-tip. It's gorgeous. You just wanna get that Spade L Ranch on there. For tri-tip, there's nothing better. Not only do you see the brown sugar, but you see those little red pepper flakes in there and stuff like that. It's gonna be incredible. I got that Spade L Ranch on there. I like to let it just marry up for a couple hours. And now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. Of course, leave it uncovered on a wire rack. You know how the Sergeant likes it. Grill Sergeant, you wanna get the Weber Kettle fired up?
No problem, buddy, can do. All right. Time to fill up a charcoal chimney. Oh, today we're going to be using lump charcoal. Royal Oak, 30-pound bag. You know what they say? Get ready to take a big dump because you're using a big lump. Here's my workout for the day, or a year, a week. Look at this, man. I'm pregnant. Josh might be the father. Oh! All right, now I'm gonna take a little tiny lighter cube, light this bad boy on fire. And there we go. And in about 20 minutes, this thing's gonna be smoking galore. Just like my uncle, who can't stop smoking. All right, these coals are just like me, too hot. Let's dump them to one side. Whew. Look at all that flaming goodness. Let's get my grill grate on. Hey Josh, can you hand me that tri-tip?
Here you go, Sarge.
Thanks, buddy. You seriously did an awesome job seasoning this tri-tip. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick it up, throw it on. Now to whip out my probe. Sounds kind of weird. We're basically going to stick our probe up in here. And yeah, and now we're basically just going to close down this little lid thingy right here. And just before this thing hits medium rare, we're going to basically put it over the coals, get it all nice and hot, get out a nice char action. And we're gonna cook in. I cannot wait. So now we wait. Now we wait. Now we wait. All right, guys, we're at that magic temperature. Now it's time to reverse sear this tri-tip. So we're gonna basically put this over the hot coals. We're only gonna do about a minute or two per side. She is done. And man, oh man, does that look good. Hey Josh, do you mind handing me a knife?
Sure, I got you.
Thanks, Josh. Wow. All right, let's cut into this bad boy. Man, oh man, does this look good. Beautiful, look at that. Woo! Now I have my taste testers here, so we're gonna dive in here. Izzy, do you want one?
Yeah.
It's gonna be kind of hot. Tastes good? All right, let me taste it.
That tastes a little bit of salt.
Tastes a little salty? What do you think?
Perfection.
Perfection! All right, you know what?
Some perfection.
All right, kids, hop back in the pool.
Go down.
You have to try this, Josh.
Taste test time. I'll tell you that Spade L Ranch never disappoints.
Alright guys, this was an awesome collab. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, bell button, you know the drill, and leave a comment on how you thought today's collab went. I mean, anything other than absolutely epic, unforgivable. Alright guys, Josh the Cooking Cop, Grill Sergeant out. Peace! So today this video is about cooking your babies. And so I'm going to put you on this grill. We're going to cook you and then...
No! Be quiet! He's not listening right. This is not the real video. This is a fake video.
But I want to eat you.
No!